Hi friends, welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. So today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest notification which was given by Reserve Bank of India. So before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. So Reserve Bank of India are selecting candidates for various posting and they have also mentioned various vacancies. So compared to last year, this year there are a lot of vacancies for these three postings. So earlier on January 25 itself, they have mentioned that the official link and the vacancy details and some of the criteria will be included and it will be released. So as per their word, they have released this notification details. So officially, so I will explain you in a detailed manner. So this is a notification which was released by them. So they have also asked you to ensure that whether you are eligible or not for these posting, and they have also mentioned to do your application procedure by online mode. So please be ready of that. So the important days which they have been given is, so they have given the important days and the dates also for the examination also. And they have asked for three postings: officer in group B, DR in general category, and officers in grade B, DR for DEPR, and for officers in group B, DR in DSIM. So for various postings, various examination will be conducted and the important days has also been given. So first is the online application link will be open from today itself and it will be closing on February 15, 2021. So if you want to apply for this and if you are looking a job like this, please do your application procedure as soon as possible. So here they have mentioned the detailed notice about this. So based on the categories they have mentioned and they have also differentiated the number of vacancies. So totally there are 300 plus vacancies as a whole. So compared to previous year, it is a huge vacancy opportunity. So please don't waste this. So here they have given some of the reservation detail and the relaxation detail also. So please check through it. So for your convenience, we have given this link in the description box so that you can check your relevant details also. So PWD candidates can also apply for this posting. So here they have given some of the details about this also. So you can check through it. If you are a PWD candidate, please check this PDF. So the next will be of pay scale. So if you are selected, you will be having a starting basic pay of rupees 35,150. And you will be having additionally you will be having other allowances also, and it will be eligible for selected candidates only. So as a whole you will be getting 83,254 rupees. So it will be per month approximately. So they have not yet mentioned the desirable and the correct thing. So please check through it. So here you can check the seniority, prerequisites and some of the things. So please be aware of that thing. And next is about the eligibility condition. So first is about nationality. So for nationality, say they have given some of the rules and regulations. So please check through these things also. And the next is about age limit. So they have given some of the things. So for basic is you should be possessed of 21 years and not more than 30 years as on 1st January 2021. So please check through these things. And they have given the upper age limit also. They have prescribed that. So please check through these things. So regarding that age limit and upper age limit, they have given some of the notes. So please check through it. And next is about the educational qualification. So for the posting of officers in grade B, DR general, graduation in any discipline and equivalent technical or professional qualification. So you should possess any discipline with the graduation with minimum of 60% marks, and marks relaxation has given for some of the applicants. So please check through it. So for the posting of officers in grade B, DEPR, essential is a master's degree in economics, econometrics, quantitative economics, and they have also mentioned some of the disciplines. So if you are having this and if you are possessing this, you can apply for this posting. And they have also mentioned the desirable qualification. So please check through that thing also. So the next is officers in grade B, DR, DSIM. So the essential is a master's degree in statistics, mathematical statistics and etc. So you can check through it. And regarding that educational qualification, they have given some of the notes. So please be aware of that thing also. So based on your educational qualification, your marks, they have given in two things, that is about your point scale and of aggregate percentage of marks also. So if you are having point scale, you should be having this, and if you are having percentage of mark, you should have this. So please read this PDF very thoroughly before doing your application procedure. So here they have given the online examination centers. So you will be selected based on examination only. So for general paper 1, for writing this examination, they have mentioned the center, state and things also. So in which category you are belonging, you can check through it. So they have mentioned the centers for phase 2 also. It is for general category. So only a few number of centers are there. So you have to read this very thoroughly. So for this examination, you will be having a pre-examination training also. It will be given for SC, ST, OBC and PWD candidates only. So if you want to attend this and if you wish to have that, you can apply for this while doing your application procedure. So here they have mentioned the application fees and intimation charges. So for categories of SC, ST and PWD, intimation charges only, it will be of 100 rupees. And for general OBC and EWS candidates, application fees including intimation charges will be of 850 rupees. And for staff, that is if you are a staff like employee of RBI and if you are writing this examination, you are not expected to pay any of the charges or any of the amount. So please check through these things. And here they have mentioned the detailed step-by-step procedure to how to apply. So here they have mentioned that, so please be very aware of that. And while doing your application procedure, please give your valid mobile number and email ID. So please, through that thing only they will be contacting you and they will be communicating you, and through that mobile number only they will be sending the information regarding this update. So please be aware of that thing. So here they have given the scheme of selection and syllabus for each and every posting. So please check through these things, and for your convenience we have given this PDF link in the description box. So before doing your application procedure, please learn through this very thoroughly. And for phase 1 online examination, most probably all the examination will be of objective type only, and you will be having of 1200 marks, and the examination date has also been mentioned. So please check through it and please follow the RBI officials website constantly. And if they give any update regarding this examination, we will also instantly inform you and we will also update you. So please follow us also. So here they have given the name of the paper and the type of the paper and the proposed time and questions and the marks also. So you can check through it, and please start to study from now itself, because in March itself you will be having the examination. So after all completing your online examination, you will be called for interview. So based on your performance, your skill and your knowledge, you will be selected. So that's it about this notification. So if you are looking for a banking job and if you are fulfilling all the eligibility criteria, you can apply for this posting, because it is a golden opportunity, and please don't miss it and don't waste this opportunity. So all the very best and best of luck from our team for your success and for your examination also. If you like this video and if you think this video is very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.